Hello and welcome to our next lecture and video from this course on how to create graphic designs using Crello, a free cloud-based app. Now, in previous lectures, I have showed you exactly how you can manage your files, how to edit and customize your graphic designs, and how to do many other things. Now, one last thing that we want to show you in this lecture is how you can upload and use your own fonts so that you can create texts which are even a better fit for your graphic designs. If you will go inside Crello, you will select a template to edit. Let's say you want to create a social media post like we are doing in this example here. In the left side menu, you will have a section My Files, which you already know about. In this section My Files, you will have a section Fonts. If you go in the font section, you will have the possibility to upload a font. Now, many of you maybe wonder where you can find different fonts that you can use to create different types of graphic designs and that you can use to add a specific type of text that you want to your graphic designs. Where it's very simple, you have to go on Google and you have to look for free fonts, and you will find plenty of sites that will give you fonts. You can also look for premium fonts which are paid, but you will have obviously to pay for them, but you can download them and use them. You will have license for them after all, okay? For example, I've went on Google and searched for the purpose of this example for free fonts, and I got these free fonts, cool free fonts from this website 1001fonts.com, and you can see here different types of fonts, okay, and how they will look like. And for the sake of this example, we will select one of them to download it and to put it into Crello, okay, to upload it there. Now let's select one of the fonts here, and let me scroll down. And okay, we have this one, Degrassi. We already downloaded it on our computer. What we want to do is go in the downloads folder. We can see it here. We dearchivate it, okay, in the Degrassi folder. And then we go back to Crello. We select the option upload font. We go in the download section. We find the folder with the unzipped font. We select it. We select the font. In this case, we select the main one, open, and bear with me for a couple of seconds. Okay, and here is the font, right? Now, if we will go in the text section and we want to add a heading text, for example, you will see that we will find Degrassi here. Let me just go up, my uploaded fonts, Degrassi. Okay, very, very simple. And let's write something cool. Okay, so this is it, cool, right? Let's make it on a bigger size. This is how it looks. Pretty nice. So this is how you upload and use a new font. It's pretty simple. It's a great way to give like a personal touch to your graphic designs, to use the fonts that really fit your style. So this is it. This is what we wanted to share with you in this short lecture and video, how you can upload your own fonts and use them to give a personal touch to your graphic designs and to create them in a better fit for your purpose. Thank you again for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in our other lectures and videos.